What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So, a few weeks ago, we took a look at Crypto.com's Visa Rewards Card, and overall, I thought that was a really unique and cool product. But then, just a few days ago, we took a look at BlockFi's Bitcoin Rewards Card, which was just launched and in a lot of ways is a direct competitor to Crypto.com's very popular product. So, as many of you may have expected, in today's video, I want to put both of these products head to head since they are basically direct competitors with each other, talk about how they are similar, how they are different, and hopefully help you decide which one might be the better crypto financial tool for you. Alright, let's jump right into it. Okay, so like I said at the beginning of the video, I have made separate reviews on both of these products as per usual with this versus style video. So while we are going to be brushing up on what each of these products has to offer, if you do want a really in-depth look at either of these, then be sure to check out the full review videos on each product. But I want to be clear from the start that while these both are in the crypto financial tool category and there are certainly similarities, they are very, very different in many ways. So let's talk about those differences. First of all, the Crypto.com Visa Rewards Card has been around for a lot longer and was one of, if not the first rewards card that allowed you to essentially spend your cryptos in real time. Now, the way that this works is a little bit confusing, so again, I highly recommend that you check out the full review video that I did on this product. But basically, there are 5 different tiers to this card, starting with the Midnight Blue, going all the way up to the Obsidian Black card, and each of them has different staking requirements and different rewards that come with this card. Now, a staking requirement is not an annual fee, and it's basically just a minimum investment that you have to make in CRO coin, which is Crypto.com's cryptocurrency. And by making that minimum investment, you qualify for the different tiers and different card options. So the Midnight Blue card, which is the lowest option and basically has no rewards, has a $0 staking requirement, meaning you can get it without investing anything. Then from there, it goes up to the Ruby Steel card, the Royal Indigo and Jade Green cards, the Frosted Rose Gold and Icy White cards, and once again, the top option is the Obsidian card, and as you can see, they progressively have higher staking requirements and progressively better benefits as well. So, as I talked about in my full review video, the Ruby Steel card is probably the most popular option and the most realistic for the average consumer, since they currently only have a staking requirement of just $400, and it gives you 2% CRO back on all of your purchases, plus 100% back on Spotify, which basically means that you get Spotify for free. Now, I want to clarify that the cash back that you're earning here is actually coming to you in the form of CRO coin, not US dollars. However, you can really easily convert this to US dollars if you want to, or you can convert it to another cryptocurrency for that matter. But the huge advantage with this card and the way that it is largely different from the BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards Card is this actually allows you to spend cryptocurrencies that are in your fiat wallet, which is basically your regular everyday currencies like the US dollar, but also currencies in your crypto wallet. And essentially, you're able to convert your cryptos into usable USD currency in real time right from within the app, meaning you can spend your coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies anywhere that Visa is accepted because you are converting them instantly into US dollars. So we'll talk more about how that is different from the BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards Card in a second, but depending on which level card you decide to get, you could qualify for a number of benefits, including free Spotify, free Netflix, free Amazon Prime, 10% back from Expedia, 10% back from Airbnb, plus a ton of insane benefits with the higher end options like airport lounge access, private jet partnerships, and a bunch of other awesome benefits. So again, the rewards that you're going to get are largely going to depend on which card you decide to go with. However, as you can see on the screen here, obviously in order to get those higher end options, you're looking at a significantly higher staking requirements, with the Obsidian card having a $400,000 staking requirement at the time of recording this video. And I want to remind you, though, that that staking requirement is simply an investment. And if you ever decide to get rid of your Crypto.com Visa card, you can sell those CRO coins and get that money that you invested back to you in US dollars. So while the staking requirement thing is a little bit odd and unique, essentially this card is completely free. Oh, and the biggest benefit is obviously the CRO back, which on the highest end option, which is the Obsidian card, card, you get 8% back on every purchase, which is just insane. But even on some of those lower end options, you're still getting 2 to 3% back on everything, which is still really, really good. And this card is metal, which personally I always love. Alright, moving on from there, we have the BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards card, which is another really unique crypto financial tool, but this one is a lot more simple. Essentially, this card is going to be used in the exact same way as any other credit card, meaning you're just going to use it to spend US dollars, but instead of earning cash back or other rewards, you're going to earn Bitcoin back. So at the time of recording this video, you're going to get 1.5% Bitcoin back on all of your purchases, plus 3.5 Bitcoin back for the first 3 months of having this card. Now, this next one probably doesn't apply to most of us, but you can actually get 2% back on every dollar you spend over $50,000 per year. But more importantly, for the average consumer, this card is completely free, meaning no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee, or anything like that. And there's also no weird staking requirements or investment minimum in order to get this card. So in that sense, it is truly free. You also get a few other benefits, including a 2% APY bonus paid to you in Bitcoin on all of your stablecoin holdings, and a trading bonus of 0.25% on all eligible trades, once again paid to you in Bitcoin. So just like the Crypto.com Visa card, I have done a full review on the BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards card. So since we've moved through all of these features really quickly, again, if you do want a more in-depth look at this product, then definitely go ahead and check out that full review. Alright, so now for the reason that most of you probably clicked on this video, and that is, what are the main differences between these two products, and which one is the right financial tool for you? Well, as you may have noticed, the entire structure and the way that these products are going to work is completely different. The BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards card is basically a regular credit card, and the only main difference is that you're going to earn Bitcoin rewards instead of cash back or travel benefits like you would with other credit cards. The Crypto.com Visa card, on the other hand, actually enables you to spend your cryptocurrencies in real time and use your crypto wallets and pay for those rewards in CRO coin. The Crypto.com card does have that staking requirement, meaning while it is technically free, there is money that you do have to put up front, similar to what you have to do with a secured credit card. However, I will mention that it is very possible that your staking requirements or investment in CRO could go up in value throughout the time that you were owning this card. So if you ever decide to get rid of it, you might find that not only did you get all of those benefits while you had the card and used it, but you could actually get a lot of money out of that investment from it appreciating. That being said, playing devil's advocate here, it could also go down in value, so always keep all of those things in mind. So deciding between the two is going to be a personal decision, as is the case with any financial product. But here are my thoughts on which product is the right fit for which type of person. In my opinion, the BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards card is more of an entry-level product for your novice crypto investor and doesn't require you to have those staking requirements or crypto or fiat wallets, and it is going to give you rewards back in a currency that is the most well-known crypto, which would be Bitcoin. Now, it is only giving you 1.5% back on your purchases, which if you compare that to even the Ruby Steel option with Crypto.com's card, that is just half a percentage lower than what they are currently offering. But if you are looking at some of those higher end options with Crypto.com, then they're going to give you significantly more as far as rewards are concerned. But remember, those rewards are coming to you in the form of CRO coin, and while they can be converted to other currencies, including Bitcoin, that is just another thing to keep in mind and another step that you will have to take. So the Crypto.com card takes this concept a step further, in my opinion, and is more for your intermediate to advanced crypto investor or enthusiast who is really invested in the space, is invested in different currencies, and utilizes all of the different financial tools that come with cryptos, including crypto wallets. So if you are just looking for a unique product and you're not super into the crypto space, then the BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards card might be the better choice for you. But if you love all things crypto and you've been looking for a way to actually spend your cryptocurrencies within real-world applications, then I would definitely check out Crypto.com's Visa Rewards card. The good thing is that both products are essentially free, so you could just try them both out and see which one you prefer. Now, I do want to lastly mention that for the moment, the BlockFi card is still on a waitlist only, but the actual product should be coming out soon, so depending on when you are watching this video, you might be able to just go ahead and sign up and get that card. So I I would love to know what you think of these two products and whether you feel the Crypto.com Visa rewards card or the BlockFi Bitcoin rewards card is the better crypto financial tool for you and why. As always, if you did get value out of this content and you want to help support me, the easiest way to do that is actually checking out some of my favorite financial tools down in the description below and getting some free money while you're at it. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future. And of course, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.